Hi, today I'm going to talk about a very serious issue that we all should be careful about. It's summer, and you must be knowing that during summer we all face a water crisis, and we all need to make our own contribution towards saving water because we all know how much it can cost. So, what if I ask you, how much can clean water cost? We all need water for our daily use, be it drinking, washing, cleaning, or cooking. And do you not enjoy staying under the shower for long? But can you tell me, how much can clean water cost? Asia is currently home to 4.5 billion people. They use around 65% of the total water supply in the world. About 30% of the Asian population is already facing water crisis. In India, availability and quality of clean water is stressed to that extent that 21% of the diseases in India are water related. In 10 years from now, 40% of the Indian population will have no access to drinking water. China is facing acute water scarcity in the northern part of the country because of its insufficient water resources and increased water pollution. In Bangladesh, 60% of the people drink unsafe water. Pakistan can be dry in just 5 years. Rome had to ration water to conserve scarce resources. New Mexico in the US is facing similar water stress like in West Cape in South Africa. In sub-Saharan Africa, the water sources are overburdened by the fast-growing urban areas. No region in the world is as afflicted as this region. Only 22% to 34% of population in at least 8 sub-Saharan countries have access to safe water. And people here drink unfit and polluted water out of helplessness. Now that I have shown you the condition of water scarcity around the world, you can easily make out the cost. And after knowing everything, why aren't we careful about saving water? For our comfort, we should not let others suffer. We should all pledge to save water from today and stop polluting the available water so that 1 billion people across the globe can have clean water tomorrow. Hi everybody, I hope you like the message and expect you to share this with as many people as you can. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification about every new videos I post. So that's all for today. Bye.